What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer, Ron. I got the recipe, and today we're talking about a secret plugin for Ableton users. All right, so you rock with Ableton, this video is for you. You want to learn how to play R&B, lo-fi, neo-soul, but you don't exactly know the chords? This video is for you. Let's get it. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. And also, if you want to save some cash on XLN audio products, such as Addictive Keys, Addictive Drums, XO Life, or RC20 Retro Color, hit the link in the description below. Let's get it. So we got a blank session here loaded up, and we don't have anything open except Addictive Keys. All right, that's the only plugin that I've got open right now. So let's get into it. So if you've got Ableton, all you need to do is download this plugin. You can buy it. It's called Chordimist. Chordimist, I'm gonna say it again, it's called Chordimist, okay? So if you've got your keys loaded up already, perfect, all right? So if you got your piano plugin loaded up, all you need to do is double click or drag Chordimist onto your MIDI channel. And here is the plugin. Isn't it lovely? Look at that, look at that. Look at that, right? Boom. So in Chordimist, you just hold one key down. All right? We're gonna break it down very simply how I use it. I'm sure you can go more in depth, but we're gonna keep it a little bit condensed for this video. Boom. So in Chordimist, when I come in, I like to make my chords red. It's easier for me to see. You can make them whatever color you want, but I choose red. You've got these little dice things on the side. I don't know what they're called, but they're these little dicey looking things here on the side, okay? With these two set, it's gonna play random notes, random chords, in a random key, all right? As you can see, it's switching from C to C sharp or to A flat. So as you're playing notes, you can learn what these chords are. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get rid of that? That little, what is it called again? Stick. I think in here it's called a stack. You have it right here. Or you can go down to the rate. And now you've got just a one chord. But if you want to set it to a key, say I want to set it to the key of C, I would unclick this dice icon, and now I'm only going to be in C. Boom. Now I'm going to click the next box. I'm going to also make it red, but instead of hitting C on my keyboard or my MIDI controller, I'm going to hit the next note up here. So here's my first chord. Let's find a new chord. I like that one. That's the default. So we'll go ahead and turn off the stack. All right, so we found our two chords. Let's move to the third one. We also want to be in the key of C. And if you forget what your chords sound like, make it red really quick. And if you forget what your chords sound like, you can always go back. That might be fire. Let's lock it in. Turn my stacks off. Oh, that's fire, yeah. Boom. Now we got our melody down. All we gotta do now is pick the right tempo. So I think, what is that? Was that 120, 140? 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's record it. Boom. There's our chords. All right, and now we can start building our beat. You know how to do drums, you know how to do bass lines, but let's go ahead and do one really quick just for the sake of time. I'm gonna load in some bass. All right, we got our bass down for the most part. All right, and another plugin I love to use is Kareem Ridgen's drums. All right, y'all, so check out Chordimist. It's a super dope plugin to use. If you want some advanced chords, I would definitely check this plugin out. That's the whole video, y'all. Thanks for rocking with me. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, hit me with a comment. If you're really rocking with it, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.